Alright, we're out here on the Boroff claim. It's currently 50 degrees outside. We're going to be replacing this wind damage shingle. Some things to note, like this wind damage shingle right here. To replace this, you can see, I'll go ahead and show you. This is where that shingle is. We have to go 2 rows above it. So we have to go up here and this row of shingles. As you can see right here, this goes underneath that hip. So we're gonna have to take this hip off to do this repair right here. And we'll showcase that later on. But right now we're gonna be replacing this wind damage shingle right here. As you can see right now, all the shingles around it are currently in good shape. We are using a nail puller, no roof snake on architectural shingles. The length will help us get the nails out from higher above. So we're gonna go ahead and start this repair. As you can see, delamination already starting, and that's what caused that damage. All right, as you can see, for me just picking up that shingle, this whole tab just delaminated. All right, as you can see from doing that, the shingle just ripped right here, pulling the nail out. As you guys can see again, that's some delamination going on. And I'm not even picking the shingle up that high to get these nails out. As you guys can see, the shingles are just falling apart. So now, from getting that shingle out, you can see delamination here, none here yet, a little bit there. Delamination here, delamination here, delamination here, here as well, there as well. So the problem with that is the wind damage you guys paid for, this missing shingle right here. With these not sealed down now, you're gonna have more wind damage keep occurring, and y'all paid for 40 shingles to be replaced. So now y'all have 1, 2, 3, 4 more shingles that just got damaged from doing that. repair.
And show them the delamination before you slide it up in there. Show them how tight these tabs are on this shingle, the one you're putting in there, the new shingle.
Yeah.
Look, you can fold these shingles up and down. Look, you can't even get a pry bar up under these shingles. Okay, so the delamination should not happen, but unfortunately it is happening for these shingles.
Then also, this is the same exact color you guys told us to use. The shingle is a little bit longer. This is the current version. So, as you can see right here, we had 3 shingles I put up. I took pictures of it. You guys' rebuttal was to wash the roof. A couple things to note there. This shingle's algae resistant warranty is different than this one. So even though if this homeowner washes this roof, everywhere where the new shingles are going on over time, these are gonna stand out 10 times more than that because of the algae resistant warranty on them, or just the algae resistance in general. So if you look on this slope right here, all the algae growing there and here, look right here. So this shingle, the new shingle that you guys told us to use, will never get like that because of the new technology in the shingles. So just wanted to showcase that. So that's really not putting this homeowner back whole. And they're not gonna be too happy after they see the pictures. So we'll have them discuss that with you guys, but we're gonna continue this repair. As you can see, we've already caused damage to a bunch of the surrounding shingles. And you can hear how crunchy the shingles are when I'm trying to lift them just to get the nail in here. So as you can see from doing this repair, we have now damaged the surrounding shingles, the keys of the surrounding shingles. What we're gonna do is wipe the top of the shingles, see if there's any granule loss. There's a little bit in between the keys, as you can see. But overall, what we're looking at here is the damages here that are never going to reseal on these shingles. All right, so pretty much every shingle above it
We need to make sure we let the homeowner know that all these keys got loosened for that repair, because
Yep.
when they fall off, if it hits one of their vehicles, we need to make sure that they understand that this could be a danger to them or their vehicles under
Yep.
this repair.
So you guys prescribe repairs for 40 shingles. As you can see, you guys paid for this damage here, the damage here from the missing one right here, the damage there. That all showcases the wind damage you guys have already paid for. So now, from doing the repair, we're just putting that more in action now, because those shingles are never going to reseal. So the next time
Crease shingle
this
right here.
homeowner gets wind on this roof, this is what's going to happen. All of these are going to blow off.